Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing veggie soup stew. My daughter's not feeling so well. She's been sleeping because she's got like low iron. So I decided to boost her system by giving her something nutritious. So I went ahead and I cut everything up and I prepared it for the pot. But don't forget to put your bell on. That's your notification button. Because if you don't, then YouTube won't let you know that I've just brought out a new video. And I want you to know that this video will benefit you as much as it's benefiting us. So you put your notification bell on so you won't miss another video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you real soon. I'm just gonna add in the pumpkin. Hold it down a little bit lower. Let us splash.
Yeah, things on top.
It's okay. Just add in the pumpkin. And then these yourself. So here I've got a pot. I'll just give it a little bit of stir. And I added some butternut squash, some frozen one I found in the freezer. So I'm just adding a little bit of sea salt. Put it out first. Yep. And then you can just let it. Here I've just added a little bit of pumpkin soup to the mix. And then I'm just going to stir this in, put the lid on, and leave for around half an hour. It will start to look like this. So when it's looking like this, it's reducing. Then you just turn it down to mid heat or mid flame, and then put your lid back on. Right, it's looking good after 5 minutes, so we're gonna cover up and let it simmer for another 10 minutes. Then we'll check it. Now you turn it off and let it cool just a little bit or a lot of bit and then blend it. Yeah, so we're gonna put the garlic bread in the oven, and hopefully by the time the garlic bread's done, then I can blend this. If you need to return it back to the hob, you can also do that to let it cook a bit further. Some potatoes, some spindles, like little dumplings in here, and I've added some corn pieces to just complement this vegetarian or vegetable vegan soup. Okay, and I'll just let this simmer down for around half an hour more. And then for today is my veggie stew. And I've got my garlic bread recipe in the description box below. Thanks for joining, and I'll see you real soon.